Hey guys, welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys what I got in my Walmart baby registry box. It was a free box that was sent to me. I didn't expect this so soon. If you guys are new to my channel, my name is Emily. If you're not new, welcome back. I post about every and anything. I have a bunch of videos backed up and none of them ready to post, but what's new? I look like crap right now. The lighting's horrible. And I'm using a filter. I was looking around for boxes and companies that give free things like samples, I guess. Now that I think of it, samples is not really amazing because it's kind of like whatever, like you might use it, you might not. It's good, like maybe you want to try something and you get a sample, but if you guys hear noise in the background, it's my kids. It is what it is. Sorry. Not sorry. Anyways, so it says it wasn't gonna come here for months. I applied for a few of them. Some of them you have to order, like I think Baby List, you have to order something from their website in order to get the box. But I don't know if like somebody buying you a gift considers that. Anyways, this is my first box. I think it's the only one I actually applied for because the other ones were complicated. I could actually you see there's another video of how I got the box, like the process of me applying for it, and I didn't post that either. But I'm gonna post it now that I remember. Somebody hold me accountable for that. Anyways, so we're basically gonna go through the box and see what I got. I think I applied for this like a month ago. It came pretty quick. I was expecting way longer, like months. But we also did buy a stroller that I'm gonna return because I didn't like it. There's a lot of stuff I want to record and post for y'all, but yeah. So let's get into actually opening the box and seeing what's in it or whatever. Okay, so let's start by opening and seeing what's in it. It's really cute. It says knock knock. I'm hoping if I like edit the video and add a little lighting, like brighten it, it wouldn't look too ashy. Okay, it says knock knock. Who's here? Mad cute. HOOS. Like who? From Walmart. Share your journey with hashtag Itsy Bitsy Walmart. Okay, so this is my first time opening it with you guys. Off the bat, I think they sent me diapers. Okay, it says your baby registry perks, free next day delivery, eligible registry over $35 or more. Friends and family can shop online and for free and easy registry returns to 1 year on eligible items. And download the registry, I guess. I got a book of coupons, I think. Is it coupons or is it just ads? It's just ads. Baby item stuff that I could probably purchase in the future. Okay, so the first thing I got was a non-GMO electrolyte drink mix strawberry. This is a hydration liquid. But what is it for? I think this is to drink for me. It's liquid IV. I got two. I got a VV Boom 2-in-1 face and body whip lotion. Hydrates baby's developing skin. I don't know if I'll be using any of the items, but it's nice. I guess it's a 0.5 size. I got a moisturizing cream, CeraVe, baby skin barrier. 0.17, very tiny, my thumb size. I got a grape water and a coupon, a sample, say $2. I got a 3 diapers, size 1 up to 14 pounds by Huggies. Thank you. This is very nice. I will definitely be using that. I got Huggies sensitive wipe. So I got these wipes. They're plant-based with 99 purified water. Fragrance free, comes with 16. I guess these are pretty nice to get for free. Like, these samples are actually worth it. I got water wipes as well in this container. It comes with, I don't know how many. The original, the purest, created and made in Ireland. Nice to get wipies. I love that. I got a full-size Dr. Brahms bottle. I was gonna buy a bunch of these, so now I don't have to buy one more. It's a colic baby bottle for anti-colic. That's really nice. I actually wanted to get this. So full size of this is, well, let's actually see what size is it. So I guess like I was talking shit before, but this is actually really nice to actually to get this for free. Our baby's first bottle, actually. Thank you, Walmart, for being part of that. Not sponsored. And I got a blank card. I don't know why, but I'll read that in a second. Maybe it's like more coupons or something. And I got an ad for VV water wipes ad. A liquid IV. Okay, so all the things they gave me. So I guess I gotta read what actually is liquid IV. It's a hydration multiplier. I guess it's just really good for hydrating the mom, the dad, whatever. I guess it's the mom, whoever's carrying the baby. I'm interested to see why this has nothing and it's sealed. Is this like, is this money? Do you think it's money? Please, I don't know where it stopped at. But this, it actually is a, like, numbers till they're 12 years old. I guess you take a picture of it, like next to the baby, 1 month, 2 month, 3 month, all the way to 12, which is really nice. It's good stuff they sent me. It's not crap like where it's just a bunch of papers and stuff. It did come with quite a few good stuff. And I'm pretty happy with the amount of things that I got for free. Thank you so much to Walmart. If I didn't show you, I got a bottle. I got... Actually, I'm going to take everything out again and show you guys. This is the sound where you follow my rules. So I got all this stuff for free. Thank you so much, Walmart. Not sponsored. But definitely, if you're about to have a baby or you're second or third, definitely, I had to post a video on how I got these things because it's definitely worth it. 100%. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you thought of this video. If you were interested in me trying to get more baby registry boxes, maternity boxes, a maternity haul, things I bought so far for the baby. And I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know what you guys would like to see next. So I decided I'll just show you guys. I went to walmart.com/baby, and then when you scroll down, it says, I'll show you in a second. Keep scrolling. Postpartum wellness box, and you click learn more. When you scroll down on that page, it will show right here, free welcome box for sign up. And then you scroll down right here, you're gonna enter your Walmart baby registry and all your information, your first name, date of birth, shipping, due date of birth, I think. But first, you're going to need to create a Walmart registry. So if you haven't done so already, you're going to want to create it. If you have already created it, you just need to go to where it says share registry and copy and paste. I'll show you that in a second. And then from there, you just copy paste and then submit it. And then they'll tell you how long you'll have to wait, and then you'll end up with a baby registry box.